This video I want to tell you about CFDs, which are contracts of difference. That's like when you buy a CFD with leverage, like you buy stock with leverage. Generally, they have leverage, and different types of leverage. One is to 10, one is to 100. The highest I've seen is 1 to 1,000. It's great. Trust me, it's great. The amount that you need to hold the position open is like a tiny fraction of the potential profits that you can make. But at the same time, it's risky because you can lose all your capital because you actually have the position opened. You know what I mean? With that leverage, which means that even though to hold the position you need a small fraction of your capital, the gains are of the larger open position. So if I need 10 rand to hold open 1,000 rand position, when the market moves, I get the gains and the losses of the 1,000 rand position, which will then impact my account um, accordingly. I feel as though CFDs are better used for forex rather than stocks, because forex you can, it's like if you're trading forex like a day trader, which is what I like. I think you can really make a lot of money by knowing where to get in, holding it for a portion, getting out where you need to get out, holding, knowing when to get in, getting out, and you can make a lot of money using CFDs with that kind of thing. While with stocks, generally, I want to hold the business long term because I want to participate in the business's gains and its booms. While with the whole economy, which is a currency, I don't necessarily want to be there where when the Fed cuts the rates and how will I know how much they're cutting? How will I know how it's gonna impact? Inflation occurs generally these days, so it's probably devaluing, holding, so it depends. It's just Forex is a lot. What you want is CFDs Forex, not necessarily to hold it in cash unless it's fixed deposits or bonds, or treasuries. Yes, treasuries, not bonds, treasuries. Bonds it can be if you want with the, yeah, no, treasuries. So that's the best way. Cash, treasuries, but not necessarily holding it, but trading in CFDs. Using stocks for CFDs is a bit risky because things can happen to companies now, and news is just, it's crazy. Trust me, bruh, it's safer with Forex. It takes a lot more to move a trillion market than it does to move your measly billion stock. This is not financial advice. We're just talking about finance. If you need financial advice, go to a registered professional.